small temu haul. This was an affiliate or influencer haul, something like that. Mr. Retros is here.
Hi.
And so is Victor. He's recovering nicely. Look at him. Best patient.
Yeah.
Best patient they ever saw. He's excited because there's some things in here for him.
Not a good pill taker, though.
Oh, no, he's not a good pill
You
taker.
can't get one down.
You know, I've never seen anything like it. Yeah. Yeah, he's doing really good, though.
Okay.
We're so grateful.
Yeah.
So, I got this is hard to show. I washed this already. This is just a dress. Here's the sleeves. It's full, I think that's the back. It's a full length dress. And it'd be kind of cute with Doc Martens or Chucks or something. So, this was, these were free. I don't know what this doesn't sell for a lot, like maybe $6, but it's just a dress. It's short sleeve, so you just wear a sweater or a jacket with it. So that's cool. I got it all washed up. Always wash your stuff before you wear it. The PJs, very nice. I like them. But wash them first. Okay, these are just these are not for you. These are just pore cleaners. Pore cleaners. Blow your nose. You just get it wet. You wet your face and you stick that on. No, it won't work on yours. It pull your hair out. Yes. So that's pretty good. And these were inexpensive. I used to get them at the dollar store, but I haven't seen them. They were like Biore, I think they were called. And some nails. I need to put new nails on. These are kind of cool. Plaid looking ones.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And more nails. These are just glittery. These were all like really reduced. Yeah, right? This is a case for my small Labubu. It's fancy. Oh, boy, it really got squished. Really. I think you gotta lay this in the sun for a while. Yeah, I think this has to.
Oh, it got squished too much.
I think it's just gotta be sitting out for a while and get reconstituted. Wow. It got really flattened. Let me see if I can get it over. Nice. Nice and perfect zipper. Just a perfect zipper, that is. Perfect. Just sticking. Just how I love it. This goes in the top. This thingy here, see that? Sheesh. Boy. Is Labubu gonna fit in there? I will be right back with my Labubu. Here we go. Behold, Labubu in his plastic protective case. And then you can see like hanging on your bag or whatnot. But there he is. Looks good. So, that's exciting. Very nice Labubu case. It needs to sit out for a while. It's all squooshed. There you go. And, this is nice. This is Snorlax. You can hang it in your car. On your bag. Look at him, Snorlax. Oh, I knew somebody would like him, though. Yes, I like him. Hi, Victor. Isn't he cool?
Come and play with us, Danny.
Come play with us, Victor. He's a Pokemon guy. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm partial to Jigglypuff myself. But these, what's this? Oh, this is a ring. I thought this was going to be bigger. It's okay, but I would have liked it to be bigger. It's a bat pin. And I just put them on my denim jacket. But that's pretty cute. This is the ticket here. It's a Victor-sized Labubu. You get your own very own Labubu. Look. Hi, Victor. Look, see? You don't like him?
Oh, this one you don't like?
I love him. See, he likes him. Yeah. Yeah. And then there's another one. This bigger one is nice too. Yeah. I gotta take the chain off it. He's got a little chain.
We're gonna have to purge some toys.
I know, we're gonna have to have a toy purge, you know, because he's getting a lot. Hey, Victor, how's it going? I love it. I love everything. Yes, Victor is another happy customer. And I think that's all I have. Victor, what do you think? Huh? I love it. Love it. Okay, that's all I got for today. Snorlax, everybody very happy. And a new dress. Got anything, Mr. Retros?
Nope.
Okay, we will see you later. Goodbye.